Welcome to Lobster Unlimited LLC. We research and develop products based on the biologically active elements of lobster components, currently considered processing waste. Two questions first. What if you could take a common wart and heal it in days versus weeks or months? And what if you could take an inflamed raw shingles outbreak and reduce the pain, discomfort, and inflammation in under 12 hours? That is what Lobster Unlimited has done with the help of Maine's own icon, the American lobster. The two ailments I just mentioned have one thing in common. They're both caused by a virus. And our chief scientist, Dr. Bob Bayer, has discovered some amazing antiviral properties in the lobster's hemolymph or serum protein. Hi, I'm Kathy Billings with Lobster Unlimited, and I can attest to that personally, as the shingles outbreak you saw earlier, well, that was mine. I was the guinea pig and I had some amazing results. The first thing we've done is to pursue a commercialization pathway in the cosmetic market. We have developed a cosmetic healing cream called Lobster RX. The name is trademarked, and the concept of using lobster hemolymph to heal skin lesions is patented. We have a commercialization partner, Cape Seafood in Saco, Maine, and with Green Lake Maine's help, we plan to have an over-the-counter skincare product out in 2017. And by the way, we're doing this with a throwaway. We'll be using what is now washed down the drain in processing plants, 5 million pounds of lobster hemolymph each year. We're also looking at the medicinal value of lobster hemolymph as an antiviral. Our researcher Matt Hodgkin has conducted lab trials with human cell cultures. We introduced our serum protein into cells infected with the herpes virus, and we now have well-documented success of its antiviral properties. We have a patent pending on the use of lobster hemolymph as an antiviral agent. Here's what we need to do next in the pharmaceutical commercialization pathway, also with financial help from Green Lake, Maine, and expected revenues from our healing cream. Our next steps include live testing, some small-scale human safety and preclinical trials, and then full-scale clinical trials resulting in an FDA-approved antiviral medication. Now let me tell you a little bit about the marketing opportunities. They're really as big as the ocean. In the cosmetic world, there are 50 billion in revenues each year. Of that, 24% are in the skincare product lines alone. Both areas include niche markets and men's markets, and they fit in perfectly with Lobster Unlimited's marketing plans. In the pharmaceutical markets, there are over 1 million people in the US that get shingles each year, just like me. With warts, there are too many cases to count, too many varieties, but all caused by a virus. There are over 536 million cases of herpes each year, with 50 million of those in the United States alone. Again, the market is as big as the ocean. We'll also have a local impact. Our partners are right here in Maine. The lobster fishermen, lobster villages, they're all icons for our state, and they will add cachet and sizzle to our marketing efforts. Our work will add value to a successful and sustainable lobster catch. Our raw product is right here in Maine, and we can access the lobster's hemolymph at Maine's lobster processing plants with no harm done to the final product, so that the value of the lobster meat is maintained, and we add additional value through our product development using what is now a waste discard. Here's the team that's making it happen. Dr. Bob Bayer is a professor of animal and veterinary sciences and director of the Lobster Institute at the University of Maine with over 35 years of lobster research. Matt Hodgkin is a graduate student at UMaine, mentored by Dr. Bob, and a researcher with the team. Stuart Hardison is a retired advertising executive, entrepreneur, and creative thinker who holds several patents on his own. Dr. James Rittenberg, a biotechnology engineer who also has owned several companies and holds about 20 patents. And again, I'm Kathy Billings, and I bring marketing and development experience to the team. We have strategic alliances with a recently retired chief patent officer with GlaxoSmithKline, a dermatologist at Harvard Medical, a doctor of oncology and hematology at the Department of Medicine at the University of Pennsylvania. Of course, all our colleagues at the University of Maine, and Cape Seafood, our cosmetic commercialization partner. Our business model centers on Maine lobsters and their unique biological properties. The impact of our business will be local and of our products worldwide. We are Lobster Unlimited, and we encourage your support. Thank you.